Okay, so as you can tell, I'm in the car today. Usually if I'm in a vehicle, it's on the bike, but I'm driving today because I'm driving up to Brands Hatch. My mate got me for Christmas 3 laps of the Grand Prix circuit in my own car. So I've got cameras positioned all around me. I've no idea if anything's going to turn out, but I'm hoping something will come out nicely. I think I've worked out miking up the exhaust noise, but again, that's a work in progress. But let's see what we capture. 3 laps of Brands Hatch. Go! Made it to the circuit. Checking in time. Okay, here we are in the pit lane. GoPro's recording. No idea what sound's doing. I gave up on that because I didn't want to fuck around. I wanted to enjoy myself. But yeah. Yay! Live race circuit. I will say it's not a race situation though. It is a driving round the track at a vaguely sensible speed. Vaguely. But now we go. Yay! Over to the GoPro. Oh, it's so fucking tempting. I like my new car. It's 220 brake, and I'm following a Porsche, which would have kicked my ass. But it's so fucking tempting, especially down that back hill into I think it's Paddock. Whee! Over onto the rumble strips, inside of the corner. And power out, just touching the apex. And I drop back from the Porsche a little tiny bit because I want to feel the acceleration out of 30s and uphill. Annoyingly, everyone's having to be quite sensible, and you're not allowed to drop back, and I don't want to get kicked off. I've got to do some track days. I've got to do some track days. This is better than Forza. final lap, sadly, through Clark Curve. These corners are a lot tighter than you think. I'm trying to hold back a little just so I can give some punch. They've actually put a chicane in the start finish straight. It's for the photo, but it's still annoying. Whee! I wonder if they do this at Silverstone. This Halewoods is so fucking tempting. You come out the first corner, it's like the track drops out from underneath you. Like proper drops out from underneath you. And you've got a feeling you want to put the power down as the track disappears. It's just, yeah, I little squiggly on the rumble strips. They unsettle the car a lot more than I thought they would. I've tried to drop back, but this bloody... everyone just seems to be stacking for some reason. Hit the back of the Porsche, because this is more power than I can use on the road, obviously. Salem want to go fast, brum brum. Mr. Porsche not want to go fast, brum brum. Salem get grumpy. The car's called Salem, by the way, not me. I think that was my final lap. Ooh, more laps. Let me use up all my petrol and then I'll leave. Although it's probably sensible that I can't just go for it because I would have binned it by now. Fucking Porsche. It's not what you expect in a Peugeot. On a live racetrack, coming up behind a Porsche and having to hit the brakes. Oh, they've got a checkered flag out. That was fun. Thank you, Christmas presents person. The car is back in eco mode. Ooh, hiss. the shop, see what they've got. Oh, there's still helmets. Well, that was fun. Yeah, more. Can't stop grinning. Just gonna have a quick look at the track from this vantage point, the Desire Wilson grandstand. Then have a poke around the shop for things I can't afford. Yeah, that first corner, it just fucking drops off. It's insane. I say, okay, so I was out of there pretty fast because everything's fucking expensive, like 40 quid for a current Grand Prix team cap, which sucks, but you know, that is what you pay for F1 merch these days. I remember rejecting when stuff was 20 quid, but hey, that's progress. Have a look at these pretty cars. Nice Celica there. This is what they're using as the pace cars. New M4, is it the new one? Or is it the previous generation? Yeah, it's new, it's got a massive grille. I like the new BMW grille, I don't care what people say. Bloody Mini, I've seen far too many of those fucking things today. And a real Defender. A real one, not that stupid new thing. Okay, well, from Brands Hatch on this beautiful, beautiful day where I've had a great time. Thanks for watching. We'll be back next week. Bye bye.